Tyrannosaurus rex, the tyrant lizard king, needs no introduction. It is the most famous dinosaur, captivating our imagination for over a century. T-Rex is known for its massive size, powerful jaws, and tiny arms. For decades, paleontologists have meticulously studied T-Rex fossils. We thought we had a good grasp on its size. However, recent discoveries suggest this apex predator might have been even larger than previously thought. New fossils and analysis techniques challenge our understanding of this iconic dinosaur. These findings have sparked a wave of excitement in the paleontological community. Could T-Rex have been even more impressive than we imagined? One of the most significant discoveries fueling this debate is Scotty. This T-Rex specimen was unearthed in Saskatchewan, Canada in 1991. However, it took years to fully excavate and analyze its bones. Scotty is considered one of the largest and most complete T-Rex skeletons ever found. Its bones reveal an animal of immense size and power. Other massive T-Rex specimens like Sue and Trix further support the possibility of larger-than-average individuals. These discoveries suggest that T-Rex might have reached sizes exceeding previous estimates. This raises intriguing questions about the limits of dinosaur growth and the factors that influenced their size. Estimating the size of extinct animals from fragmentary fossils is a challenging task. Paleontologists employ various techniques, relying heavily on the relationships between bone size and body mass observed in living animals. The length and circumference of the femur or thigh bone are particularly important. These measurements are then plugged into mathematical formulas to estimate body mass. Hip bones and other skeletal elements provide additional clues. By comparing these measurements across different specimens, paleontologists can infer the size range of a species like T-Rex. However, there is always a margin of error due to individual variation and the incomplete nature of the fossil record. If T-Rex was indeed larger than previously thought, it has significant implications for our understanding of its biology and ecology. For instance, a larger body mass might have affected its speed and agility. Some scientists argue that a larger T-Rex would have been slower and less agile. Others believe its powerful muscles could have compensated for the added weight. The debate continues, with computer simulations and biomechanical analyses offering insights. Furthermore, the discovery of larger T-Rex specimens raises questions about growth rates. Did these giants grow faster than their smaller counterparts? Or did they simply live longer? The answers could shed light on the life history of these prehistoric predators. The implications of a larger T-Rex extend beyond just its physical capabilities. A larger size could have influenced its hunting strategies and prey choices. For example, a bigger T-Rex might have targeted larger prey or used different hunting techniques compared to a smaller one. This could have had a ripple effect on the ecosystem, impacting other species and the overall biodiversity of the time. Additionally, understanding the growth patterns of T-Rex can provide insights into the lifespan and development of these magnificent creatures. By studying the growth rings in their bones, scientists can estimate how fast they grew and how long they lived. This information is crucial for reconstructing the life history of T-Rex and understanding its role in the prehistoric world. The ongoing research and discoveries continue to paint a more detailed picture of T-Rex. Each new finding adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us understand not just the T-Rex itself, but the environment it lived in and the interactions it had with other species. The study of T-Rex is a dynamic field, constantly evolving with new technologies and methodologies. As we uncover more about the size, growth, and behavior of T-Rex, we also gain insights into the broader patterns of dinosaur evolution and extinction. The story of T-Rex is not just about a single species, but about the complex web of life that existed millions of years ago. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of the past and the forces that shape the world we live in today. The debate continues, with computer simulations and biomechanical analyses offering insights. Furthermore, the discovery of larger T-Rex specimens raises questions about growth rates. Did these giants grow faster than their smaller counterparts, or did they simply live longer? The answers could shed light on the life history of these prehistoric predators. Furthermore, the discovery of larger T-Rex specimens raises questions about growth rates. Did these giants grow faster than their smaller counterparts, or did they simply live longer? The answers could shed light on the life history of these prehistoric predators. Did these giants grow faster than their smaller counterparts, or did they simply live longer? The answers could shed light on the life history of these prehistoric predators. While the discovery of large T-Rex specimens is exciting, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of paleontological evidence. The fossil record is inherently incomplete. We rarely find complete skeletons. Most T-Rex fossils are fragmentary, making it difficult to estimate their size accurately. Furthermore, individual variation within a species means that even complete skeletons might not represent the absolute maximum size. Therefore, while the new discoveries suggest T-Rex might have been larger than previously thought, it's essential to interpret these findings cautiously. More complete fossils and continued research are needed to refine our understanding of T-Rex's size range. Section 6. One species or many. The debate over T-Rex classification has been a hot topic among paleontologists for decades. The iconic Tyrannosaurus rex, often depicted as the ultimate predator of the late Cretaceous, has long fascinated scientists and the public alike. But recent discoveries and ongoing research have sparked new discussions about whether T-Rex represents a single species or a complex group of closely related species. The discovery of larger T-Rex specimens has also reignited the debate about species diversity within Tyrannosaurus. These massive fossils, some of which are significantly larger than previously known specimens, have led some researchers to question whether they belong to a different species altogether. Some scientists believe that the observed size differences might indicate the presence of multiple species. They argue that the variations in size, along with differences in bone structure and other anatomical features, suggest that there could have been several distinct species of Tyrannosaurus living at the same time. They point to variations in skull morphology and skeletal proportions as potential evidence for distinct species. For example, some T-Rex skulls have more robust features, while others appear more gracile. These differences could indicate different species, or perhaps even sexual dimorphism within a single species. Others argue that these differences could represent individual variation within a single species, or even changes related to growth and development. They suggest that the observed variations might be due to differences in age, sex, or even environmental factors that influence the growth of these ancient predators. This debate is far from settled. The scientific community remains divided, with new evidence and interpretations emerging regularly. Each new fossil discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, but also raises new questions. More fossils and detailed anatomical studies are needed to determine whether multiple species of Tyrannosaurus roamed North America during the late Cretaceous. As paleontologists continue to unearth new specimens and refine their techniques, we may one day have a clearer picture of the true diversity of these magnificent creatures. Section 7T. Rex's place in the ecosystem, rethinking the predator and its prey. The T-Rex, one of the most iconic dinosaurs, has long been considered the ultimate apex predator of its time. But recent studies and discoveries are prompting scientists to rethink its role in the late Cretaceous ecosystem. The size of T-Rex has significant implications for our understanding of its ecological role in the late Cretaceous. Its massive build, powerful jaws, and keen senses made it a formidable hunter. But was it solely a predator, or did it also scavenge for food? This question has intrigued paleontologists for decades. As an apex predator, T-Rex's size influenced its prey choices and interactions with other animals. It likely hunted large, herbivorous dinosaurs, but its sheer size and strength might have also allowed it to dominate other predators and scavengers, securing the best feeding opportunities. A larger T-Rex might have been able to take down even larger prey, such as the massive horned dinosaurs like Triceratops. These encounters would have been dramatic and violent, showcasing the raw power and hunting prowess of the T-Rex. Its size would have also made it a formidable competitor for resources and territory. The T-Rex's dominance in its environment would have shaped the behavior and evolution of other species, both predators and prey, in the late Cretaceous. Understanding T-Rex's place in the ecosystem is crucial for reconstructing the dynamics of late Cretaceous ecosystems. By studying its fossils and the fossils of other contemporary species, scientists can piece together a more accurate picture of this ancient world. Changes in the estimated size of this apex predator require us to re-evaluate its impact on the environment and the animals it shared its world with. Every new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us understand not just the T-Rex, but the entire ecosystem it dominated. The more we learn, the more we realize how complex and interconnected life was during the age of the dinosaurs. Section 8. A never-ending story, paleontology and the quest for knowledge. The ongoing debate about T-Rex's size highlights the dynamic nature of paleontology. New discoveries constantly challenge our understanding of the past. They remind us that our knowledge of extinct animals is always evolving. Each new fossil unearthed, each new analysis conducted, brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of these ancient creatures. The quest for knowledge about dinosaurs like T-Rex is a never-ending story full of twists, turns, and exciting discoveries. The recent findings regarding T-Rex's size are a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of continuous exploration and discovery. Tyrannosaurus rex continues to fascinate and inspire us. This iconic predator, once thought to be well understood, is revealing new secrets as we uncover more fossils and refine our analytical techniques. The possibility of a larger-than-thought T-Rex is just one of many exciting discoveries reshaping our understanding of this prehistoric giant. The reign of T-Rex in the realm of paleontological discovery is far from over. It seems the tyrant lizard king still has many surprises waiting to be unearthed. Each new finding reminds us of the vastness of time, the wonders of evolution, and the endless possibilities of scientific exploration.